Hello out there, welcome to this mathematics lesson again on fractions. In this video we'll be looking at multiplication and division. So we take our first problem. So problem 1 has A, B, C and D. So we start from problem 1A. So for problem 1A we have a 5 over 12 which will still be maintained. This is times 6. So we are going to write this 6 as fraction, which is going to be 6 over 1. So we have it as times 6 over 1. The method of multiplying fractions is look at the numerators and the denominators. If there are common factors at the numerator with the denominator, then we use the common factor to divide both the numerator and the denominator, so as the case may be. So in this case we have a 6 which is a factor of 12, so we can say 6 divided by 6 to give 1 and 12 divided by 6 to give 2. So we are now left with 5 over 2, and we are not going to write this as final answer. This is an improper fraction. We are going to change it to mixed number, so that we now say 5 divided by 2 gives 2 remainder 1 over 2. So we have done justice to problem 1A. We go to 1B. For problem 1B, we are bringing everything down. There's no any manipulation as we did to problem 1A. Now, so we have 4 at the numerator and 4 at the denominator. So we say 4 divided by 4 gives 1. 4 divided by 4 here gives 1. Again, 3 divides 3 and at the same time it divides 9. So we say 3 divided by 3 gives 1 and 9 divided by 3 gives 3. So we will multiply out the numerator. 1 times 1 gives 1 and 1 times 3 gives 3. So we have our final answer here as 1 over 3. So we go to problem C. For problem C, we have 5 over 14 multiplied by, express this one as improper fraction. We have 5 times 1 gives 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. So again, we can see that 5 is common at the numerator and at the same time it is at the denominator. So we say 5 goes into 5, 1, then 5 divided by 5 gives 1. So also 7 can divide both the 7 at the numerator and the 14 at the denominator. So 7 divided by 7 gives 1 and 14 divided by 7 gives 2. So we have 1 times 1 which gives 1 and 2 times 1 gives 2. So we have our final answer as 1 over 2. So we are done with C. We go to problem D. For problem D, we are going to change the first 2 fractions into improper fraction, then maintain this 3 over 26. So we say 2 times 3 gives 6 plus 2 gives 8. So we have it as 8 over 3. 1 times 8 gives 8 plus 5 gives 13. So we have times 13 over 8, then multiply by 3 over 26. First and foremost, we have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1. Also 8 here, 1, 8 here, 1. Then 13 divides 26. So we say 13 divided by 13 here gives 1 and 26 divided by 13 gives 2. So we have 1 times 1 times 1 to give us 1. 1 times 1 times 2 gives 2, which gives our answer as 1 over 2. Fortunately, it has the same answer with D. We're done with problem 1. So we go to problem 2. For problem 2, we have A, B, C, and D. This is purely division. So we are going to start with A. We start with problem 2A. For 2A, we have it as 2 over 3. This division will be changed to multiplication. If you are changing it to multiplication, we now take the reciprocal of 4. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 over 4, so we now have it as 1 over 4 because we have changed this division to multiplication. That is the method of dividing fractions. So we go again and look for common factors at the numerator and denominator. So here this is 2 here, this is 4, so 2 divided by 2 gives 1, and 4 divided by 2 gives 2. So we now multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 gives 1, 3 times 2 gives 6, so we have our answer there as 1 over 6. So we go to B part of the problem. For B, we have 15 divided by 7.5. So we write the 15 as 15 over 1. Divide by, change this to improper fraction. 7 times 2 gives 14 plus 1 gives 15. So we have 15 over 2. We are going to change this division to multiplication. So if we are doing that, we have 15 over 1 times the numerator becomes the denominator, or we just take the reciprocal of 15 over 2, which gives 2 over 15. And you can see 15 divided 15 gives 1, 15 divided 15 here gives 1. So 1 times 2 over 1 gives our final answer as 2. So we are done with problem 2B. So we go to problem 2C. For problem 2C, we are changing the first fraction to improper fraction. 1 times 5 gives 5 plus 3 gives 8 over 5. Then divide by 2 over 15. What we do now is to change this to multiplication. We still maintain 8 over 5. Changing this to multiplication, the reciprocal of 2 over 15, because we have changed this division to multiplication, so it becomes 15 over 2, which is the reciprocal of 2 over 15. So again, 2 divides 8 and 2, so 2 divided by 2 gives 1, and 8 divided by 2 gives 4. Also 5 divide both 5 and 15, so 5 divided by 5 gives 1, and 15 divided by 5 gives 3. So we now have 4 times 3, which is 12 over 1. We still have it as 12. It gives the final solution to problem 2C. So we go to 2D. For 2D, again, we are going to change the two fractions into improper fractions. So we have 3 times 4 gives 12. 12 plus 3 gives 15 over 4. Then divide by changing this to improper fraction. We are going to have 9 over 4. 9 over 4. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1. 9 over 4. Again, we change this to multiplication so that we still maintain the first fraction. Changing this division to multiplication, we are going to find the reciprocal of this, which is 4 over 9. 4 over 9. Again, immediately 4 divides 4 here, 1. 4 divides 4 here, 1. And 15 and 9, the common factor is 3. So 9 divided by 3 gives 3, and 15 divided by 3 gives 5. So we are left with 5 times 1, 5 over 3. So 5 over 3 is an improper fraction. We don't leave our final answer as improper fraction, so we change them to mixed fractions. So 5 divided by 3 gives 1, remainder 2 over 3. That is the final answer to problem 2D, and this is the end of the solution of problem 2. So now we go to problem 3. In problem 3, this is a combination of multiplication and division here. Division, multiplication. So we start with A. Starting with A, this is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, this is a proper fraction. So we are going to change the mixed fractions to improper fraction. So we have 3 times 4 gives 12 plus 1, 13 over 4, times 2 times 2 gives 4 plus 1, 5 over 2, then multiply by the reciprocal of 5 over 8, which is 8 over 5. So we look at the numerators and the denominators, and we can see 5 and 5. So 5 divided by 5 gives 1, 5 divided by 5 gives 1. Again we can see 8 and 4. So 4 divided by 4 gives 1, 8 divided by 4 gives 2, and 2 divided by 2 gives 1, 2 divided by 2 here gives 1. So we have 13, 1, 1 over 1, 1, 1. That will just give us 13. Because 13 times 1 times 1 gives 13, 1 times 1 times 1 gives 1. So 13 over 1 is 13. That is the solution of problem 3A. We go to 3B. For 3B, we change the first fraction to improper fraction. 2 times 4 gives 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. Then divide by 1 times 7 gives 7 plus 5 gives 12 over 7. Then times 1 times 5 gives 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. So with this, we are going to transform this division to multiplication, only this. So we have 9 over 4 times the reciprocal of 12 over 7. So 12, the reciprocal of that's going to give us 7 over 12 multiplied by 6 over 5. 6 divide both 6 and 12. So 6 divided by 6 gives 1, and 12 divided by 6 gives 2. There's no number that can divide again, so we just multiply out. 9 times 7 gives 63 times 1 gives 63 over 40. And quickly say 2 times 5 is 10 times 4, 40. And again we change this to mixed fractions. Changing it to mixed fractions, the number of times 40 can go into 63 is 1. Then remainder 23 over 40. So the solution to problem 3B is 1 whole number 23 over 40. That's the end of the problem 3. We go to problem 4. We start from A. What we do is look at the numerators here, change them to improper fraction. 1 times 15 is 15 plus 1, 16 over 15, times 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 gives 15 over 4. This is going to be division. This is divide by 21 plus 3, 24 over 7. So we are going to change this division to multiplication. So we still maintain the first two terms, and then changing this to multiplication, we get the reciprocal. That's 7 over 24. 7 over 24 here. We study the numerators and the denominators. So we can see 15 and 15. So 15 divided by 15 gives 1. 15 divided by 15 gives 1. 4 and 16. 4 divided by 4 gives 1. 16 divided by 4 gives 4. And again 4 and 24. 4 divided by 4 gives 1. 24 divided by 4 gives 6. So we are left with 7 over 6, which is one whole number, 1 over 6. That is the solution of problem 4a. So we go to problem 4b. For problem 4b, I have 12 over 25. Oh, this is a fraction over fraction, which means this fraction divided by the fraction. So we have 12 over 25 divided by 9 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 8. So we change this division to multiplication. It becomes 12 over 25 times 10 over 9, then multiplied by 5 over 8. So we see 5 can divide 10, 5 can divide 25. So 5 here 2 times, 5 here gives 5 times. So this 5 here 1, 5 here 1. 3 can divide this and this. 12 divided by 3 gives 4. 9 divided by 3 gives 3. 2 can divide 8. 8 divided by 2 gives 4. That 2 divided by 2 gives 1. So 4 divided by 4 gives 1, and 4 divided by 4 gives 1. So we have 1, 1, 1 here, multiplying 1. So that will give us 1, 1, 3, 1. So 1 over 3. That is the end of solution of problem 4, and this is the end of this mathematics lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Till we come your way again, goodbye.